Hi guys, today I'm going to be testing the new subject reference feature in HailuoAI, where we can provide a character such as this one, and it can then reference that character and create dynamic scenes, keeping character consistency. To access this in Minimax, go over to the new subject reference tab and click to upload an image. I'm going to use this soldier that I generated in FluxDev. Once uploaded, click to confirm. As you can see, it then adds the face of the person to the prompt. You can then prompt as you normally would and click generate. It does take a while to generate as there's a lot of traffic on the site at the moment. And then you will have your character in the scene. Hailuo have said that they will be adding more reference options in future, as at the moment you can only have one character. And there is the limitation that it has to be a human. If you try with a monster or a toy, for instance, it won't be able to generate the reference. But this feature is great for quickly getting your character in a scene. I've generated a few examples showing the reference character and the output generations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.